In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video as MP4 in CapCut PC. If you want to make sure your finished video plays smoothly on almost any device, phone, or social media platform. Without compatibility issues, exporting as MP4 is usually the safest and easiest option. CapCut PC makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what settings to choose so your video is ready to share. To get started, open the export window in CapCut. Go to the top right corner of your screen and click the bright blue Export button. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+E to open the same window a little faster. Once the export panel appears, look for the title field at the top and click into it to give your video a name. This is helpful for keeping your project organized, especially if you're exporting multiple versions of the same video. Next, it's time to choose the correct file format. In the export settings, look under the video exporting section and scroll until you find Format. Click the drop-down menu and select MP4. This is the key setting for this tutorial. Choosing MP4 ensures your video is exported using the widely supported H.264 video codec, which is one of the most reliable formats for online uploads and everyday playback. It works well across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and it's also fully compatible with both Windows and Mac. After that, lock in your render settings. Set the resolution to 1080p or 4K depending on the quality you want and the footage you edited. For bitrate, keep it set to higher so your exported video maintains better visual quality. Then set your frame rate to either 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. In most cases, 30 FPS is great for standard videos, while 60 FPS is a better fit if you want smoother motion. Before exporting, choose where the file will be saved by selecting your destination folder next to Export to. This makes it much easier to find your video as soon as the render is complete. Once everything looks correct, click the blue Export button at the bottom to render your MP4 file. And that's it. Your video will now export as an MP4 from CapCut PC, making it easy to upload, share, and play back with fewer compatibility problems.